Oh, this mall is beautiful.
Cause trouble.
Never, Mama. I never cause trouble.
All you do is cause trouble.
No, Mama. You're at the mall. Be happy. Put a smile upon your
I will be
face.
happy if my
Wow, look at how big and beautiful it is. Just like you, Mama. My mission, fly through the Tesla. That's all I want to do. If I do that, it's a great and wild success. Tomorrow, I'm going to be posting a video showing you exactly how I cut and edit and color grade an FPV video. A really kind of basic for beginners so that you can start, having a bit more fun with your edits. I use a program CapCut whenever I edit HD0 footage. Recorded myself editing the whole thing so that you can follow along and then you can start being able to do that too. So make sure you subscribe for that. That's going to be up tomorrow and it'll be at the end screen starting tomorrow. So yeah, I wanted to make that video for you guys for a while. And the thing that's really nice with CapCut is if you're using HD0 footage, you can use it in the TS format and CapCut's able to read it, so you won't have to mess around with the file or have to deal with any of that stuff, okay? So enjoy. Make sure you're subscribed.